Can the Galaxy S10 shoot slow-motion videos? Just like the S9? And how does the OnePlus 6T stand in front of it? Let us find out. I am Adhar Sharma, and this is the No Gamer.
When I was 6 years old, I broke my leg. I was running from my brother and his friends, and tasted the sweet perfume of a mountain grass I rolled down. I was younger then. Take me back to when I found my heart, broke it here, met friends and loved them through the years. And I've not seen the roaring fields in so long. I know I've grown, but I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way, driving at 19 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I miss the way you make me feel, and it's real. We watch the sunset over the castle on the hill. 15 years old and smoking hand-rolled cigarettes, running from the law through the backfields and getting drunk with my friends. And my first kiss on a Friday night, I don't reckon that I did it right. And I was younger then. Take me back to when we found weekend jobs, when we got paid with buy cheap spirits and drink them straight. My friends have not thrown out in so long. Oh, how we've grown, but I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way, driving at 19 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I miss the way you make me feel. And it's real, we watch the sunset over the castle on the hill. We watch the sunset over the castle on the hill. One friend left to sell clothes, one works down by the coast, one has 2 kids but lives alone, one's brother overdosed, one's already on the second wife.